is Chloe, and I am a student at Richmond North Public School. I am a really big fan of wattles. If you don't believe me, just take a look at this video I prepared earlier. I love wattle. The golden wattle is our national fall emblem, so it makes sense that it should have the honour of being the first Australian plant in space. As a curious child, I have so many big questions to think about, like why is the sky blue and how do birds fly? Should I order extra cheese on my hamburger? But the biggest question I have is what will happen to the wattle seeds after they go all the way up to space? Will the seeds mutate and grow a giant-sized tree that reaches 1 kilometre high?
That's a really big tree.
Or will the seeds develop a superpower and grow a tree that fires lasers from its leaves? The only way I will find out is if you choose my school for this amazing scientific experiment. Personally, I think the seeds will grow super fast and we'll have a full-size tree in just one day. Could be a great place for a tree house. So, please choose Richmond North so I get to see what will really happen to those wattle seeds.